Listen up, young man. Yes, you. Don't skip this video. I've been at the point you've been at, 16, 17, 18, 19 years of age. And there's lots of different voices in your ear, and they're all telling you to do very different things. Your grandfather's telling you to become a plumber, become a tradesman. That's much better advice than what your parents are going to tell you. Go to university, get a degree, get into debt, get a mortgage. But I'm going to tell you something different. I'm going to tell you to go to my university. Traditional universities are only interested in how much you could pay them and how long they can keep a grip on you. You are the product. You are what makes them rich. They are not what makes you rich. Well, let me tell you something. All I want is from the first day to arm you with the skills you need so that you make as much money as possible. I want you to be driving around in flash cars. I want you to be wearing nice watches. I want you to be eating at the finest restaurants, drinking the finest booze at the finest hotels in the world, standing next to the finest women. And when people come up to you and say, "How did you manage to pull this off?" I want you to look them straight in the eye and say, "I believed in Tristan Tate and he believed in me." You're gonna get in your Lambo and you're gonna drive away. That's what I expect when you join my university.